2026 is going to be the best year Six Flags Over Texas has had in decades. From guest experience improvements to major ride upgrades and even the world's tallest dive coaster, we are gearing up for an insane theme park season in Arlington, Texas. This is why 2026 is about to be Six Flags Over Texas's biggest season yet. We are officially 1 week out from opening weekend at Six Flags Over Texas. There has been so much going on during the past 2 months, and we have a lot to look forward to during this upcoming season. Let's dive right in. Starting off with your entrance experience, the road leading up to the parking tolls has been fully repaved. This road has been pretty rough the past couple of years and has definitely needed some work done to it, so this will be a great upgrade to your experience. Regional General Manager Jeffrey Siebert posted on social media recently showing some images of new signage, which he says will be a part of the enhanced entrance area for the park, including a new park sign, new pavers, and new signage for the Silver Star Carousel as shown on screen. The teams at the park have been working hard to continue to upgrade your entrance experience for a while now, and I think this is going to be the cherry on top for this area of the park. 5 years ago, this area was cramped, chaotic, and just not a fun time. There has been so much improvement since then, and I can't wait to see how it will look like on reopening day. Heading over to Gotham City, the park has been teasing new upgrades around Batman and Mr. Freeze, and we finally have some details of these retheming projects. Posted on the park's social media pages, Batman will be getting some major theming upgrades, primarily in the station, with a new statue of Batman and thematic gear related to the films. The park is also teased about upgrades to Gotham City Park, which is Batman's outdoor queue section. We saw a bit of the beginning of this project near the end of last year, so I am super curious to see the final product. One of the most anticipated enhancements will be a full theming upgrade at Mr. Freeze, and when I say upgrade, I mean upgrade. For weeks, the park has been posting teasers consisting of sub-zero temperatures in Gotham City and a video of a snowstorm with the caption, "Next week, things are gonna get a whole lot cooler." Concept art of the station and queue line were released, along with a leaked photo of the refurbished entrance facade. In these images, we were able to see that the park has seriously gone all out for Mr. Freeze. If you didn't think the ride fit the theme of an abandoned ice cream factory before, you absolutely will now. The park also shared an image of what thematic signage around the ride will look like, and it looks awesome. If y'all have been following the Six Flags chain for the past couple of months, you may know that Flash Pass has been discontinued and is in the process of being fully replaced with Fastlane. If you have used this system at the Cedar Fair parks before, you know what to expect. Instead of using the Six Flags app to access your Flash Pass, you will be required to purchase a wristband at the Fastlane building and wear that the entire day. When using Fastlane lines, the attendant will scan the wristband at a merge point, and you will join the general queue. A few weeks ago, a photo was posted of what is assumed to be one of these single-use Fastlane kiosks, which looks to have a Tormenta-themed wrap. You will be able to use this to purchase skip-the-line passes on the most popular attractions that Fastlane offers. On the website, a list of rides that accommodate Fastlane has been posted, and it seems like no attractions have been added or removed to the list of included rides since Flash Pass was discontinued. For the past couple of attraction additions, the baseline Flash Pass along with your Season Pass skip-the-lines will not work for the first few months, and only the highest level Flash Pass would get you on a limited number of times. However, interestingly enough, Tormenta is currently being advertised to support the baseline Fastlane, both on the Rides and Fastlane tabs of the website. Will this change? We will see once the ride opens. Also, a new digital wait time sign will be outside of every major attraction in the park, along with the updated digital ride information boards. As seen at Six Flags Fiesta Texas, these new additions will be great for the guest experience. I am intrigued to see how the new Fastlane system will work at the park next week. Over in the France section of the park, the Southern Palace event venue has been undergoing some major refurbishment projects. Back before the park closed, the outdoor part of the building was fully repainted and restored, and we got the announcement that brand new seating would be installed. Gone are the days of sitting on hard platforms while watching shows. We now have some incredible fold-down padded seating. Also, just recently announced, the extremely popular Gazillion Bubble Show will be coming to Six Flags Over Texas. Most recently featured at Kings Island, the show will feature many interactive and fun moments exciting for all ages. The show will run from March 14th through the 22nd in Southern Palace, so see it while you can. It's time to talk about the elephant in the room. Tormenta Rampaging Run, the park's brand new B&M Giga Dive Coaster, will be opening this season. Featuring a 309-foot tall lift hill, 285-foot drop, the world's tallest Immelman and vertical loop, and probably the world's tallest mid-course brake run, this ride is going to be a home run for the park. Most recently, the park topped off the world's tallest vertical loop and held a small event for a few creators and news stations to further advertise the attraction. It was revealed that the old fountains and entrance for Conquistador will be utilized as the new entrance plaza for Tormenta, and will be accompanied by a statue of a bull. The station has been erected, however we are unable to see much of what's going on due to the scaffolding. The next couple of elements to rise will be the second Immelman and hop into the midcourse. Tormenta is growing every day, and I am extremely hyped to see what has been completed so far next week. As you enter Spain, a new entrance sign will greet you, as posted by the park a few months ago, along with the new Cocina Abuela restaurant. As described by the park's general manager Mark Boyer, the new restaurant will feature 2 food lines, live tortilla making, a rotating menu, and an immersive dining experience inspired by the rich culinary traditions of Latin America. So far, the restaurant has not yet gone vertical, however the land has been cleared and flattened in preparation for the foundation to be poured. This restaurant is going to tie Spain together so well, and I am super excited to try out some of the brand new food options. Recently announced, Six Flags Entertainment Company released a brand new line of season passes. The new Regional Gold Pass will allow you entry to all Six Flags parks in your region. The Texas region includes Six Flags Over Texas and Fiesta Texas, Hurricane Harbor Arlington, San Antonio and Splashtown, Schlitterbahn New Braunfels and Galveston, and Frontier City in Oklahoma City. So if you have plans to visit the Six Flags properties in Texas, you should think about purchasing the Gold Pass. That's it for all of the major 2026 updates, however we have a lot of smaller updates that seem to be overshadowed by everything else we just went over. Let's speedrun these. First off, the Six Flags and Texas Railroad has been getting a refurbishment during this off-season. Before the park closed, the passenger cars were spotted being prepared for a repaint. There will also be a brand new track layout installed around Tormenta to accommodate for the ride support structure. Titan's third train is in the process of being repainted to match the new color scheme and is speculated to be red. As seen in Tormenta's announcement animation, a red train is climbing Titan's lift hill in the background of this shot. The newly refurbished train should be ready for opening weekend. Along with the repaved driveway, many patches of midway around the park have been repaved, along with more beautification projects. As seen late last season, El Aserradero has received new logs from S&S featuring longer bodies and seat backs to make for a more comfortable ride experience. Hopefully these logs will be ready for when the ride reopens. New Texas Giant is rumored to receive a brand new fast lane and/or general queue line staircase, as there was work going on with a new staircase under where the original station queue used to be. The Splash Water Parade is returning to the park this summer. Dates are currently to be determined, as the parade is also going to Six Flags Over Georgia, Carowinds, Kings Dominion, and other legacy Cedar Fair parks. A new show entitled The Pirandi Stunt Dog Experience is currently being advertised on the park's website, featuring rescue dogs performing high-energy stunts commonly featured on America's Got Talent. On the app, the show will be held in Southern Palace, however no additional information has been provided at this time. The World Cup is coming to AT&T Stadium this summer, which will drive a ton of tourists to the park and surrounding areas of the Metroplex. This is likely one of the reasons the park is going all out for this season. And that is going to do it for everything to expect in 2026 at Six Flags Over Texas. Obviously, we don't know every detail just yet, but we will find out everything next week. If you are excited for the 2026 season at Over Texas, drop a like and comment what you are most excited for. I can't wait to be back at the park next week, and I'm super excited for this year. There is going to be so much new content coming to this channel, so subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. As always, thank you all for watching, have a great rest of your day, see ya.